his new best friends.
He just wants to get close to him.
He does. I think, are you going to sleep with those things tonight?
Look at here. You can take these for a ride in your truck. Yeah.
Give Elmo a ride.
No.
In my truck.
Oh, you're going to stick Elmo in the corner. I was going to say she'd wait for one of those for tomorrow, but I guess it was okay to do
Yeah.
today. You look pretty comfy.
You look pretty comfy, buddy. Hi.
Oh my gosh, that's adorable.
Well, we did okay with both our grandsons this Christmas, Dad.
Yeah, in the plastic one there.